Alright, now that I've had some time to calm down. So what I did was track in there about 20 yards, didn't see no arrow, no blood, good blood. But man, I feel great about that shot. I apologize for not getting it on camera. I mean, the deer was standing right here. I'm right there. You can see the Millennium lock on. I mean, when you're got these big bucks, especially South Alabama, he stood right here for forever, winding, throwing his head up, doing the whole thing like he does. But when you're down here, you got to take what you can get when you can get it. Bottom line. Anyway, so backed out, went to the truck, drank some Mountain Dew, tried to calm down some more. But we're about to go in here and see if we can find this thing. Right there's his track where he ran off. Go see what we can find in here. I'm gonna go to where I was last at marked. I mean, there wasn't no blood off this deer. I'm basically tracking off of his tracks because I couldn't find any blood. I mean, so far anyway, you know. I mean, you can tell where he ran through here, and I know it sounded like a deer crashed. I mean, I for certain heard that. Oh, there's my arrow right there. Look at that. There's another one right there. And there's that arrow. I mean, he's been killing it. Alright, we got the arrow. Whew. Is that tree bark? Either that or bone. The arrow don't look real good either. But I mean, I felt 100 about this shot. You can kind of see the trail right there where he went. Still no blood, which it's hard to tell because you got these red briars. Let's see how that matches. It looks like a little bit of blood right there, and it's so damp in here. Whew. Oh, there's some blood right there. Oh, I've been texting Noah, keeping him filled in. What's going on? I mean, I'm just going off a deer trail and tracks right now. I mean, that's all I can do. No blood, hardly. There's a briar patch. Stick it. What if we cut up through there? It don't look like he did. Oh, hold on. I don't know how he got over there, but I think I see him. Is that him? Is that him? Oh yeah, that's Horn, baby. That's Horn, baby. Oh, that excitingness coming out of me again. Oh, we gotta calm down. I hope I'm not the only one that gets like that. Oh man, golly, how did he get over there? I don't know how he did it. I ain't got a good service in here now for some reason. Wind must have blew the wrong way. Oh my gosh, what a rack. What a Bama bow kill, baby. Whew. I'm going to get this tripod set up so I can grab him. Oh my gosh. Look at that. What a tank, son. What a tank. Dang, there's a deer bed right there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, what a shot. God, I felt good about that shot. Oh, let me get this tripod set up and I'll grab a hold of it. Oh man. Oh man. Lord have mercy. Lock her in right there. Oh. Ooh. Look at this, boys and girls. Look at this. It ain't all about inches. It's about mature bucks, baby. And it don't get no more mature than that. Whew. I like that. Look at that shot. I mean, such a monster body. I'm gonna have heck get him out of here. It ain't but about 40 yards to the road, but yeah, he didn't make it 40 yards. Oh my gosh. Look at that neck, son. I mean, what a beast. What a beast. Big old head. He's going on the wall. No doubt about that. Big boy. Perfect shot. Perfect shot. Ah. All right. I gotta get out of here. I gotta find the easiest way out. I want to take a moment to share something with y'all. It's pretty neat to me. Now, this ain't the biggest scoring deer out here by no means, but he's a fine, mature South Alabama bow kill. Now, story behind this 48-inch ATA bow right here. It's really not that long, that's a joke. But a man bought me that bow when I was a kid, working for him. Young man, 19 years old. And he gave it to me on a Friday. Oh, my buddy's calling Rhett. Well, I killed several deer with that bow. Kind of didn't know anybody that bow hunted, had to teach myself around here. And I killed several deer with it and then got rid of it. Sold it to a friend of mine named Cameron Smith. We had it for a couple years, and years later I got to thinking, man, I want that bow back. And he wouldn't sell it. He wouldn't sell it to me. He loved it. Tack driving bow. And anyway, long story short, we both worked offshore. We was home together for a whole week and hung out every day. We were shooting, getting ready for deer season, and I had another Hoyt, and he shot it and he liked it. And I said, well, you give me some money for this bow and that old bow, and we'll call it even. That was on a Friday night, and we swapped. He went and got some money, give it to me, got my bow back. The very next night, we hung out all day that day. Me and my wife, she was my girlfriend at the time, hung out all day that day, and that night he got killed in a wreck. And he was my hunting partner. He was one of my best friends, and that hurt pretty bad for a long time. Well, I've had that bow in the case. I've shot it at a target here or there. Well, unfortunate circumstances earlier this week, I ran over my Hoyt Carbon Spider 2016, and I had to break this bow out as my backup. Took it to the bow shop, made sure I had it tuned and everything, and bow guy said, Mr. James Ennis at Fletcher said, I ain't touching nothing, get out of here. So went home, got her dialed in, and dialed in it is. But man, some of that Cameron Smith luck right there with that bow, because he'd killed some bucks with that bow also. And it's a special moment, no matter the size of the deer. I mean, he's going on the wall because of the story behind all this, because I was pretty upset when I ran my bow over. I was not in a good place, but and Hoyt is supposed to email me back and let me know about a riser for that. Let me know if they got anything in stock, but I just want to share the story with y'all and see how everything kind of comes full circle. And hunting, it ain't about killing, it's about memories made with friends and value as far as memories to me. I wish Noah was up here. He's kind of took Cameron's place. I went through several people over the years, and Noah stood still, has really stepped in, and been a great friend and a good guy to hunt with. I wish he was up here, but he's on public land. But I'm gonna get this loaded up and get home to the kids so they can see it before church. And my little boy, his middle name's Cameron, actually after Cameron Smith. So ironically, Noah is his first name, and I have a great friend and hunting partner whose name is Noah Studstill. So I mean, everything just adds up for a reason. That's all there is to it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I couldn't get it on video. I was pegged. I'm telling you, I was pegged. Just got to take it when you can get it in South Alabama. Oh man, what a deer. What a deer. All respect to the animal and the things that goes with it. I hope y'all enjoyed it.